dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
My wonderful people, welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. Thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. The headlines: Court has summoned Edo State Deputy Governor Godwin Omobayo to Abuja for failing to vacate office for restated Deputy Governor of Edo State, Philip Shaibu. Moving on after this, we have the Chairman of Independent National Electoral Commission, Prof. Mahmood Yakubu, expressed optimism that the Ondo State governorship election would be a successful exercise. But guys, before we proceed, I would like to welcome those that are joining us on today's news for the very first time. Thank you so much for joining us. To all our amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed to the main gist. Godwin Omobayo, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, has been ordered by the Federal High Court in Abuja to appear in court on November 26 over alleged disobedience to a prior court ruling. My people, don't be small again. Justice James Omotosho ruled that Godwin Omobayo's appearance would ensure he received a fair hearing, allowing him to defend himself under Section 36 of the 1999 Constitution. The News Agency of Nigeria reported that this order follows a contempt charge filed by Philip Shaibu, who was restated as deputy governor after his impeachment was nullified. So Shaibu contended that Godwin Omobayo failed to vacate the deputy governorship role despite the court decision. Justice Omotosho previously voided Philip Shaibu impeachment, if you guys can remember, on 17th July, declaring that the Edo State House of Assembly did not follow due process. He also ruled that the impeachment basis did not meet the threshold for gross misconduct. Philip Shaibu's case marked FHC/ABJ/CS/478/2024 named several Edo State officials, including the Inspector General of Police and the Edo State Chief Judge, as defendant. So Omobayo was sworn in on 8th April after Philip Shaibu's impeachment. On October 24th, Justice Omotosho scheduled a hearing for Monday after approving Philip Shaibu's request for a substituted service of Form 49 on Omobayo. Philip Shaibu counsel Iniobong Ekbire confirmed that while Godwin Omobayo had received Form 48, Form 49 could not be served. Godwin Omobayo was not present or represented during Monday's proceedings. So Ayotunde Ogule San, counsel for Shaibu, requested a court directive for Godwin Omobayo's appearance, citing disregard for court orders. On that aspect, Justice Omotosho then adjourned the case to 26 November. So he instructed that notice should be sent to the defendant. So in the interest of justice, the alleged contemptor is hereby ordered to be in court in person on 26th day of November 2024. My people, don't be small kata kata. So I go like we gonna choke mouth for this matter, because as it be like this, that matter never end. They say Godwin Omobayo disobeyed court ruling when they don't tell us since he vacate office for Philip Shaibu, but he refused. But now they've summoned him to represent himself in person on 26th November. So I go like, make una tell me what I feel about this matter in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Prof. Mahmood Yakubu, expressed optimism that Ondo State governorship election would be a successful exercise. Yakubu particularly said that Commission had learned their lesson from Edo State's governorship election and previous election in the area of logistics and resource management. He said that they're going to repeat that same mistake will happen for Edo State. My people don't be small castle. Now so they take promise for Edo State election, but what happened at last? But now the people say they don't trust INEC again. But the INEC chairman want to clarify that say may they no fear. See that stuff will be say that they expect it no go happen. Rather, the exercise is going to be a successful one. The chairman stated this on Monday during his visit to the state headquarters of the commission in Akure, where he said that they have learned a lot of lessons, not only from the last election, but also from previous elections, that there are two challenges. The first one is logistics for the election, so that polling units open promptly on election day. The second one is result management. So his assurance to voters in Ondo State is that they will see fast improvement in these two processes. On his mission to the state, the INEC board said that he was in Ondo to assess the preparation of the state office of the commission ahead of the November 16 poll. So he said he received positive reports from the states office in Akure, but he decided to come for a readiness assessment. So they are here basically to look at what is happening and the good work that the state office has done. So they are going to meet with the stakeholders, including political parties, civil society organizations, the media, and security agencies. They are also going to meet with their staffs to assess their readiness. He said they are going to be here for like few days. Now, one of the activities they are also going to observe is the mock accreditation of voters, which will take place in 16 polling units across 6 local government areas in 3 senatorial zones of Ondo State. In addition to other activities, he said they are also going to meet with stakeholders on Thursday, and the following day, the National Peace Committee will also invite all the stakeholders for the signing of the National Peace Accord. So he is going to make sure that everything is put in place for the success of the voting on that day. Hey, my problem is Wàhàla. So many people now don't they put eye for their body. They say may they not try wetin they do for Edo State, and they will not give them chance this time around, because seems all the thing wey be say they are sure Edo people say the election is going to be peaceful, but the thing turn out to be the other way around. But right now, hey, my people, they stand gidigba for this one. So gonna like make una tell me wetin I feel about this matter in our comment section. Make una tell me in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe, and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Bye for now.